Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw Smurf Cat. Let's start with the head first. Draw a circle. Draw an ellipse below the circle. Draw a vertical line to split head structure into two. Draw nose. Draw mouth. Draw eye sockets. Draw eye sockets. Draw eyes. Draw mushroom on the head. Draw mushroom on the head. Draw a rectangle below head for the basic body shape. Divide the rectangle into two parts, upper body and lower body. Draw legs. Draw legs. Draw crossbelt. Draw hands. Draw fingers. Draw hands. Draw fingers. Draw hunting hook. Draw some fruits on the hook. Draw lantern on the hand. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.